Hey y'all. Happy Saturday. Today is the spring open practice because it's not a game. And I am in the kitchen. I just thought about it. I'm talking to Coco on FaceTime. Y'all look.
Yeah, I'm about to get off the phone.
Y'all say hi to Coco. Coco, say hi to the vlog.
Mama, I'll talk to you later.
Why?
I don't even want to talk no more.
So you don't want to say hi to the vlog?
No.
Okay.
Okay,
Coco is being a me. Exactly. Say it again, Deuce.
Coco be me.
Look who I have here.
Coco be me.
Tell the vlog hi. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Say hi, vlog.
Alright, blah.
Since we're going, Coco done hung up the phone. But since we are going to see my baby today, he asked his mama to cook a home cooked meal. So y'all, I made some DIY Longhorn Parmesan crusted chicken with some mashed potatoes and my spinach and cream sauce. Look. Y'all see that?
Wait.
Check it out. It had been sitting a while, that's why it turned dark, but it's the spinach in the cream sauce. And we're going to put it over the mashed potatoes. This is the Parmesan crusted chicken that's getting ready to go into the oven. That's what I have going on. And I am going to bring y'all with us today, okay? Let me just explain. It was a spring game. However, Rice University has undergone a coaching change. Y'all, my lips may be a little crusty because, I mean, it's 11:51. Yeah, it's the afternoon, but baby, it's a Saturday. I have not been doing anything but cooking and making sure that I bring my baby a meal. So, back to what I was saying. They have undergone a coaching change. And since they've undergone a coaching change, the coach kind of wanted to switch it up from a spring game to a spring open practice. So they have invited the public to come out today. And y'all, we're going. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion, even though it doesn't look like it right now. I mean, if you're new here, just look at the channel. You can see I clean up well. But if you're an OG, welcome back, world. I am going to go ahead and sign off for now. And I will see you all later. Y'all, it is later on in the day. It's 4 o'clock. Actually 4:02. And we are en route to Rice University for the spring open practice. You want to speak? Say what's up. All right, y'all. We on our way. Y'all would have made it. Let's see. Let's see, Coco. Y'all, I'm trying to drop off this food. And I forgot my microphone. Waiting on Coco to come. Y'all, here come my big baby. There she goes.
Because if they see you, you ain't going back to no car.
Yeah.
Wait, why did they... Mama,
Oh my God.
why they leaning?
They weren't leaning at first. But you didn't say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Hi. Europeans saw me.
What you got?
I got some crawfish, some A2 some jambalaya.
Ooh, is it good?
I haven't tried it. He just gave it to me.
Y'all, let's see. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that looks seasoned too. I want that potato.
You can have it.
Okay.
You don't eat potatoes.
Let me see the other thing.
Got me all on Justin Call.
Ooh, okay. That look good too. All right.
Dude!
Y'all, this man has gotten on my last good nerve today. I'm talking to my married people. My last good nerve, okay?
Now you know you want to walk over there.
I know. Come on, Chloe.
All right, I'm about to go inside.
We're headed to the tailgaters over here.
I was, man. Coming at you. Hey, man. No, man. No, man. Ain't never said it. That's free. What's up, big bro?
Actually, man, I had to a bunch of traffic. I had to make a...
How you doing, man?
Hello.
Who y'all get a little boy? Where he come from?
That's our grandbaby.
Who is you?
Tell me your name.
What's up, man?
Tell him your name.
What?
Say it loud.
Yeah, say it loud, bro.
Tell him your name.
What's up, man? What's your name, dog?
Tell him.
I just shook him up. What's your name,
Say
bro?
Deuce.
Deuce? Name Deuce. You play football?
Hello. How you doing?
Good to see you, Miss Ursula. I know you.
You too.
Hello, how you doing? Doing good. Hey, little sis, how you doing? So pretty. Y'all ate already?
Talk, man.
Did y'all eat already?
Oh no, we haven't. But
What I think?
I do want corn and a potato.
Yeah, the coffee is good.
Well, I'm sure it is.
If it ain't my food.
Give me that corn. What you want? You want a corn? What else you want? Potato? Want some more corn?
That's when it was at the visit.
Or 2 or 1?
I'm sorry. What's your baby at 27? Hey, your baby 27. Hey, God, man, we been out here since 7:30, man. You come.
You told me 10. You came at 7:30?
Man, we was out here, man.
I want a poster.
Check your bag, sir. We have to check your bag before you go in. I'm sorry. Okay, you're good.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day, honey. You join that game.
Say thank you.
So cute.
Thank you. All right, let's go. All right. Yes.
I'm telling you, this team right here has had an unbelievable spring and winter, and we're preparing for great things.
Yeah.
That's the new one. That's the new one.
Say what's up to my vlog.
What's up with you guys?
You want something to coach?
Cause it's a little compassionate. Hey, y'all know who that is. Let me get one. I thought I was taking a picture.
All right. Come on, dudes. Come on, man. Hop in there. Bro, take the backpack off. Take the backpack off. I got you, bro. I'll carry. I'll hold you.
Watch it. Oh, look at my babies. Look at Coco. Y'all look at Coco. Deuce, look at Coco. Smile, Deuce. Lord, what kind of smile was that?
I'm sorry. What? What's the TikTok? I don't even know how to do it.
The one, it go like this, go like this, then you like that.
All right, wait, hold on.
Come on, you wait, Tiki. They gotta do it. TikToks are not done like.
Hold on, wait.
You do it and it's done. You gotta. Come on, Papa.
Take a picture.
It's bigger than him.
That's tough.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
How you doing, sister? Hey, this the brother right here. What's up, man? Good. I'm good, man. Can't complain. Not at all.
We're at Pluckers, y'all. Me and the kiddos. Chloe on the verge of crying because her Instagram got hacked.
Chicken and fries?